Rocky. Yes, I know. Shall we give a clap to Steve as well? I think he deserves it as well.
Yeah.
Don't milk it. Don't milk it. Okay. Right. All right. So we're going to put Rocky in, and we're going to fly two birds together at the same time now. And grommets. Yes, really. And she said, Alistair, grommets, let them out, Steve, for me. Go. Take this in, guys. They are beautiful birds, stunning, stunning birds. I don't know about you, but I've got goosebumps now. Okay. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Way up. Yeah, there's one. You enjoyed it? Good. I'll be back at 2:20 past 2 with a completely different show.